Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how to update an Explorē 12, although this information also applies to the Explorē 5 and the Explorē 8. So here you can see I have my Explorē 12 on my stand and turned on. And first thing I want to do is check my software version. So I'll do that by pressing and holding the contrast button to get to the menu. And I can scroll down here and go into the About menu, and I can see where my software version is the second item on the list there. So let's say I've determined that I think that I need an update. What I would need to do then is go to the Humanware website. So here I am on the Humanware website, and where we want to go is to the support section of the website. And we'll scroll down till we find Explorē, since that's the device we're working with. We'll click on that to get to that page. When that page opens, we can scroll down there. We'll see some documentation at the top, and then lower down, we will see software updates. So in order to get that software update to apply to my Explorē 12, I need to click on the software version right here. There's also instructions, written instructions that you can access right there that will walk you through everything I'm showing in this video. So I'm going to tap that. It's going to immediately go off and download that file to the location that I've designated for my downloads. In this case, I have it go into my Explorē directly to my downloads folder on my computer. So I can go there, and here I see that update that I've just downloaded to my computer. So now that I've downloaded the file for my update, the next thing I want to do is use my provided USB cable that I also use for power to connect my device up to my computer. So here is the USB-C end that will go into my Explorē device over here on the left-hand side, and then I will take the USB end and plug that into my computer. I won't show this on screen, but I'm plugging it into a port on my computer. I get a message on my Explorē that it has now been connected to my PC. So now the next step takes place on my PC. So let's switch back there. So meanwhile, back on my computer, when I plugged in my Explorē 12, which I can see in my Explorer tree over here, it automatically opened the file or the root of the drive on the Explorē 12 to my personal computer. Now, this can also be done on a Mac computer as well. But recall, we downloaded the file in our downloads folder. So let's go back there. We will click on that file and then use whatever process you're comfortable with, be it a Control-C using your keyboard or a right click and copy, whatever means you like to copy files, do that. And then come back down to your Explorē 12 device. Notice my screen just changed here. And then anywhere in this area here, just right click or Control-V or click on that paste button up there and paste it into the file. You'll see that take place, and you will see this appear in the folder here. Next, it's good practice to just go ahead and right click down here to eject your device from the PC. So we'll do that and you'll see it disappear up here. And that's just best practices. You don't always have to do that. And then it went back to the last location, which was download. So now we're seeing my downloads again. So let's move back to my Explorē 12 device. So here's my Explorē 12. I'm going to go ahead and remove the cable now. And what I'll need to do is power cycle this and then power it back on. And you'll see software update on the screen. That means that it is in fact updating itself. It will then power off. So it's part of the power cycle there for the changes to take effect. I'll press the power button to turn my device on. And then if I want to verify that the update has taken place, again, I will press and hold my contrast button to get to the menu. I will scroll to the bottom and I will enter into that About menu to see that my software has now been updated. Sure hope that you find this video to be useful to you. Please let us know if you have questions or comments about the Explorē 12 or any of our other low vision products. Thank you.